Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna make lemon curd. Yes, right, lemon curd. Okay, let's get started. Okay, recipes. First, you're gonna need lemon juice, 1 pound 8 ounces. Lemon zest, um, I would say like five each. I would say like three lemon zest. And sugar, 1 pound of sugar. Butter, 1 pound 4 ounces. Egg, 11 each egg. Yolk, egg yolks, 1 pound 2 ounces of egg yolks. And also sugar, 1 pound of sugar. Gelatin, 6 sheets of gelatin. Okay, I'm gonna start you off. This recipe is very easy, as you can see. So lemon juice you're gonna put on a pot to boil, as you can see. Add the butter and that first part of sugar. So lemon juice and sugar, and the butter you're gonna add on the stove to cook to a boil. Once you bring it to a boil, then in the meantime, you're gonna combine your yolks, eggs. Those are the egg each, 11 egg each. You're gonna add the sugar and the yolk together. Slowly mix that together. Do not let the sugar and the yolk sit in a bowl. But what happened if you let the sugar and the yolk just sit in the bowl just like that? What you're gonna find the chunks. The eggs is gonna build up as chunks. So you want to basically mix that, add that slowly and mix it. Once you add that and mix it together, once your stuff come to a boil, then you're just gonna temper some of the boiling mixture into that yolk, because you don't want it to turn into scrambled egg. And then you whisk it, keep it whisking it, never stop, keep whisking it slowly, and then you dump it back to the whole mixture on the fire. Once you're gonna mix consistently, never stop mixing. But you can use a spatula or you can use a whisk. Always whisk the side, because that side is very important. And once the batter come to a bubble, as you can see, then it's finally finished. So as you can see, and then always add the gelatin last. Always add the gelatin last, because the gelatin work pretty good when you add it last. And this is the final stage of, see, I add the gelatin, add it last, and you can continue mixing so that gelatin mix out. Once the batter cool down, because I do a demo, because I want to do a demo to show you the final stage. You scoop into a tart shell and you can put it in a freezer, but it's better if you do this right away. It'd be better if you do it when it cool down. And that's the final stage. You can top it off with meringue. I top mine off with meringue and blueberry and raspberry in the plate. And this is the finishing, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the final stage. I think this recipe is a very, really good recipe. I use this recipe for competition demo, and it worked pretty good. If you have any problems out there for this recipe, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Now the video is coming to an end. I want to say please like, share, and subscribe if you think this video is very helpful for you. If you have any problem with the recipe, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. All right, peace.